I'm Roshni. In this video, I'm going to discuss about A-star search algorithm. A-star search algorithm to find cost-effective path source node to goal node. Here, A is a source node and G is a goal node. The number written on the edges represent the distance between the node G of n. The number written on the node represent the heuristic values H of n. The heuristic value estimates the cost from a node to the goal, while the path cost represents the actual cost from the start node to given node. The formula is f of x equal to g of n plus h of n. From A, we can reach B and E. Here, A to B, we apply the formula f of x is equal to g of n plus h of n. We get 8. From A to E, we apply the formula f of x is equal to g of n plus h of n. We get 10. Since the cost for A to B is less, moving forward with this path. From B, we can go to C and G. So we compute f of x for both. For first equation, we get 1 or 2. For second, we get 11. Here the path A to B to G has the least cost, but it is still more than the cost of A to E. Thus, we further explore this path. Now from E to D, we compute f of x. We get 10. Comparing the cost of A to E to D with all the paths we get so far as this cost is least. We move forward with this part. Now computing f of x for the children of the D, A2, E2, D2G, we compute f of x. Now comparing all the paths that lead us to the goal, we conclude that A2 E to D to G is the most effective path to get from A to G. Um, Now we can see the principles behind A star search algorithm. Heuristic function H value. A star uses a heuristic function to estimate the cost of reaching the goal from a given node. This function is admissible if it is never overestimate the actual cost. Total cost F value. A star evaluates node based on their total cost, which is the sum of the path cost from the start node, and the heuristic value H value of the node. Priority queue. A star maintains a priority queue of node to expand with the node having the lowest total cost at the front of the queue. Pathfinding. A star is commonly used in pathfinding algorithms such as GPS systems, video games, robotics to find the shortest path from one point to another efficiently. Another application is robotics. A star is used in robotics for path planning of robots to navigate environments with obstacles. Network routing. A star can be used in network algorithms to find the most effective route for the data packets through a network. Resource allocation. A star can be used in resource allocation problems such as task scheduling to find the optimal allocation of the resources. Thank you.